Hey, what's going on guys, it's GamerPickles900 here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Sonic Screwdriver Universal Remote Control from the 11th Doctor. I adjusted it because when I got it, it was broken and it was a very dirty box. But actually it wasn't, this one it was dirty when I had it, but this bit was broken. Like the hinges on here was broken, so I just sellotaped it, but now everything seems to be fine. So let's unbox it. So it's got like a nice clear top, so no dust will go on it, everything. So before we review it, don't we have to review it. So we have to take this off. Good clear plastic to protect it with. So there's the Sonic Screwdriver itself. Let's put it on the side and let's look at the base first. You can see here the Gallifreyan text. Gallifreyan text of Doctor Who. That's like a stone effect here. It's got some things to place the screwdriver down. And look at here. And it's got some like fake screws, fake wires across each side. Look at the other side. No, I can't look at the other side. And this side's got just plain, like no more stone black here, and wires from the inside. But it would be very cool if this part lighted up. Like a little switch in the bottom, and then it just lights up. So okay, that's really cool, isn't it? So now let's move this out of the way, and let's go on to the actual thing. The Sonic Screwdriver. The Sonic Screwdriver looks amazing. Like, look at the detail around this thing. It just looks absolutely cool. Look at the top bit. It looks very nice. See if we look here, if I try to find it. Here. That bit broke off right there. So I have to sellotape the whole entire thing, so everything can be done. You can have to do it twice. So I don't want to see one bit of tape, so it makes it nice and thick. So it has like nice thick leather here. It's got a nice rim, but the worst bit about it, because look, still it's got that straight thing at the end. Because if you look here, if I show you, this is where you get the batteries in. You can screw those two here, then take it off, and then you get the batteries inside. But I'm not going to show you today. Nice white. It's got a nice white bit here, and a little metal as well. And here's the bit. I designed it like it's really nice as well, because look at that. Like, it's nice and shiny. And it's got like this dirty effect, like the Doctor and the 50th anniversary got a bit dirty, because when he landed or something, or yeah, so it doesn't really matter about that. Don't really care. There has a button underneath it. Let's press this and let's turn this baby on. I press hold it and it turns it on.
FX mode.
It's got FX mode. So I'm going to zoom out for you guys. Push forward, back, up, down. See? It's got other modes as well.
Practice mode.
Practice mode.
Push. Pull. Left. Right. Up. Down. Tap on the top. Tap on the right. Tap on the right. Tap on the right.
Just up at the bottom.
Tap on the left. Right. Tap on the left. Tap on the bottom. Tap on the top. Anti-clockwise. Clockwise.
See?
Clockwise.
So now it's got other modes as well.
Control mode.
Control mode.
Memory bank A.
This is controlling the one downstairs, so I'm going to turn this off.
Quiet control mode.
So this one's got like quiet control mode. So basically does the same thing. When the click sound, so it's like quiet. You get it. So, next one. FX mode. You know that one. So, all in all, the sonic screwdriver, maybe hold it.
Entering programming mode. Memory bank A.
So all this entry programming mode, but basically you hold it here. So and then you put the remote here, but we haven't got one. So all in all, and it's got a lock code, but I'm not going to show you guys because if I do it, because once I did it and then I completely forgot the code, then it couldn't let me in back in the screwdriver again. So all in all, the screwdriver is amazing, including with the other stuff as well, with the base and everything. It's really cool. So subscribe. Oh yeah, so sorry. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, favourite, and follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Google+. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and see ya. Bye 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 bye.